Hi, my name's Dysgwyr and my course is FdA Hospitality and Tourism Management.
Hi, I'm Dylan Hall and my course is FdA Hospitality and Tourism Management.
The thing I enjoy about the course is the theory side of it and the lecturers.
I'm also enjoying learning about Welsh tourism and learning more about the tourism industry.
The thing I want to do after leaving the course is move on to working on cruises and other hospitality industry aspects of that.
I'd like to move into a job more based into the tourism industry, so working say with a council on tourism or tourism projects.
For those wishing to join the course, I would suggest doing so to get more experience within the hospitality industry.
It also helps you progress with your future within the industry of tourism as well as hospitality too.